Welcome to first and only SaaS News Digest featured on LinkedIn. And today's digest brought to you by Vanta. Vanta makes it easy to get or renew your SOC 2, trusted by Lattice, Notion, UserTesting companies. Avoid the anxiety of on-site auditor visits and save $1,000 for SOC 2 at vanta.com/buildfirst. Today, we're going to begin with Nasdaq 5th Annual Tech Trends Report. And this report explores top technology trends that will impact capital markets in 2021. So let's start with SaaS in the cloud. According to Nasdaq, financial institutions and marketplaces are rapidly accelerating their adoption of SaaS models in the cloud. They found them faster and more cost-effective when it comes to upgrades and introducing new products. Many argue that SaaS in the cloud contributes to resilience and security by eliminating the need for companies to have their own data centers. All of those points to continuing SaaS adaptation in upcoming years. We will also see a lot of activity in the realm of SOCs, systems, chipsets, in this year. Advanced Risk Machine or ARM architecture to central processing unit is accelerating. We're also seeing advancements in graphical processing units or GPUs and machine learning optimization chips. These innovations allows for build of more effective systems with better performance, reduced complexity, and increased profitability. And finally, Nasdaq focuses on edge cloud technologies. And when it comes to edge cloud models, we have really only scratched the surface. Edge cloud is dynamic and distributed model that allows computers and storage resources to move closer to the edge of the network. And this reduces their reliance on centralized processing and enables greater scale and performance. Nasdaq sees this tech coming into the play with everything from traffic lights measuring traffic flow to big pharma tracking and monitoring vaccine shipments. Great trends to keep an eye on from the experts at Nasdaq. Our company news today takes a look at Tel Aviv-based company Run AI. They just raised $30 million in the Series B round in their AI compute platform. Inside partners led the round were participation from existing investors TLV Partners and C Capital, and this puts Run AI's total funding to date at $43 million. The compute platform promises organizations an ability to abstract away all the AI infrastructure and pool GPU resources. GPUs are graphic processing units that were originally designed to accelerate graphic rendering. They can process many pieces of data simultaneously, making them great for machine learning. The Run AI platform can pool GPU resources from both the cloud and premise resources, and this makes sharing resources much easier between users and teams. And it also allows IT teams to get better insights into how they compute resources that they use. And they're currently working with the customers in a wide variety of industries, including automotive, finance, defense, manufacturing, and healthcare. Run AI reports that these customers are seeing their GPU utilization increase from 25 to 75% on average. And the company plans to use the new round of funding for two focus areas. First, they plan to triple the size of their development team. And according to the company's CEO, they have an aggressive roadmap full of innovation. Especially, they want to further develop their product vision for virtualizing AI workloads. And the second, they'll be expanding their sales and marketing to additional industries and markets. Definitely an innovative company to keep an eye on as the year continues. And our final digest today takes a look closer at OpenAI and their innovative new offering. Last June, OpenAI released a revolutionary NLP or natural language processing model called GPT-3 and rocket the world of AI. GPT-3 uses deep learning to produce human-like text. It is built on 175 billion parameters compared to 1.5 billion in its predecessor model and 10 times more than Microsoft's competitive product. It provides a ready-made model as a commercial product in the form of text-in, text-out interface. It doesn't give away its code, but rather offers an easy-to-use API on a commercial basis. Many believe that GPT-3 is a set of fundamentally reshape the dynamics of the AI world. It may also disrupt the competitive landscape in the SaaS space as well. GPT-3 empowers a new class of citizen developers by offering easy access to AI. And SaaS startups, businesses now have easy access to AI, which means innovation and competition will increase. You can ask GPT-3 any English language question and it will give you an accurate answer. In some cases, a superior answer than a human could offer. And the use cases of this technology are endless. And even though it's still a private beta mode, many startups have already been launched, built with GPT-3. Startups can either sell or direct output of the language model or build a product on top of it. And many startups named dbuild.co allows users to build a website off of verbal description. Another allows customers to enter a few keywords about their product or services, and amazingly sounding ad copy and marketing text are generated in seconds. The natural language processing and AI landscape will continue to evolve, and innovations like GPT-3 are going to lead the way. I hope you enjoyed the SaaS News Digest. The SaaS News Digest belongs to all of us and provides the value to the members of our community because of you. So please click on like or insightful button and share the digest on your LinkedIn page. And let's work together in developing this community and setting new SaaS global standards. My name is Artem Gasan. I'm the general partner at SaaS Growth Ventures, and my superpower is I solve growth and revenue problems for tech companies. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.